So students, we are continuing our trigonometry fourth exercise, the last exercise. So here, this is the page number 296. All of you open the page number 296. Open the page number 296. Page number 296, and this is exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4. The question is, we completed 5 problems out of 10. So sixth question. Students, all of you write the sixth question. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. This is the problem we have to simplify. We have to simplify this. See here. Simplify. See, there are various methods to solve this type of problems because there are so many relations between the trigonometric ratios. Tan can be changed into cot, or tan can be changed into sin and cos, sin can be changed into cos. Like that, we have so many relations which I already explained, and we are using in the formulas. So first, suppose if there is no direct relation between them, change the problem into sin and cos. Total problem keep only in sin and cos. We can convert all in terms of sin and cos. So all the other ratios into sin and cos. So first step, you remember, changing this total problem into sin theta and cos theta, because angle is A, sin A and cos A. For that we have the formulas. Let me remind you the formulas. So change the total problem into sin and cos. Secant A is equal to, I gave the formula 1 by cos theta. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. Secant is equal to 1 by cos theta formula I told. So in place of secant A, I am writing 1 by cos A, because total problem let me write in terms of sin and cos. Total. There should be only sin or cos, no other value. Remove secant, remove tan. Removing means changing into sin and cos. This 1 minus sin A I will keep same. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. All of you look here. Don't write. I will give time. If the time is not sufficient, you can ask me, put in the chat box that time is not sufficient. Give some more time to copy the problem. But when I am teaching, just copying the problem, it will not serve your purpose. So you have to understand. Secant is equal to 1 by cos, that formula I told. So this I am writing same. So the total problem in sin and cos only. Here also secant is equal to what? 1 by cos A. Plus, this also I will change it into sin and cos. Tan is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Just changing the total problem into sin and cos. As I said, we can solve this problem in many ways. If you multiply these two also, we will get the solution. Multiply this and this first, get one expression, and if you multiply with this, directly you will get the answer. That is also one method. But this method is easy to remember, because changing the problem into sin and cos is, you can easily remember. Now, just I am simplifying. So problems are over. The formula is applied here. This I am keeping same, and here I am writing taking the LCM. What is the LCM? Cos A. LCM is cos A. What is the numerator? 1 plus sin A. Cos A is the LCM. 1 plus sin A. A plus B, A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. A minus B into A plus B. A square means 1 square minus B square. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. A square is 1 square, B square is sin square. Cos into cos, cos square. Cos into cos, cos square. 1 square is 1 minus sin square by cos square. 1 minus sin square theta, first identity. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by cos square theta. Get cancel, answer is 1. So the simplified answer is 1. Simple procedure I applied. I changed the total problem into sine and cos. For that I have the formulas. Secant is equal to what? 1 by cos. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. 1 minus sine is same. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Tan is equal to sine by cos. Cos A LCM. Numerator is 1 plus sine A. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. 1 square is 1 minus sine square is sine square. 1 minus sine square is cos square. That is our first identity. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to what is the formula? Cos square theta by cos square. Cos square cancel. 1 is the answer. Now write down. Following or not? Students, followed or not? You just tell me. Kushaiguda branch. Okay, somebody asked me to explain once again, maybe joined late, because some students, all of you should join the live class little early on time. So if you delay, so if you don't understand the first step, then again it will be a problem. See here, this is the problem. First see the textbook, see the problem. Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. This is the problem we have to simplify. First thing I want to do is, I will change the total problem into sine and cos. This is already in sine. So I will change secant and also tan into sine and cos. I want to change the total problem into sine and cos. See, I told you we can apply many methods. But the method which I am applying is, I want to change this into sine and cos. See here. Secant is equal to 1 by cos formula. Many times I applied, because secant and cos are reciprocal to each other. Secant is equal to 1 by cos I applied here. Secant is equal to what? 1 by cos. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. This is same. Here also secant is equal to 1 by cos. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Plus tan is equal to sin by cos. That formula also we know. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. The second formula. So first formula, second formula, this is the third formula. Three formulas I applied. This is not a formula. This is a simple product. You know in lower classes. So what I did? Secant is 1 by cos. Secant is 1 by cos. Tan is sin by cos. This same, this is continuously same I am keeping, no change. So here I will take the LCM. What is the LCM? Cos A. What is the numerator? 1 plus sin A. So A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. A square means 1 square. B square means sin square. 1 square is 1. Sin square is sin square. 1 minus sin square is cos square. Third formula. 1 minus sin square is cos square. What is the denominator? Here one cos. Here also one cos. Cos into cos, cos square. Same, continue. So numerator cos square, denominator cos square cancel. One answer. One answer. Students, you copy it first. Raikal branch, Ayyappa Society. Over. See, somebody may be joining little late, log in little late. So for them, suppose if I rub it also, again you can watch the video, you can copy the problem. No problem, no tension. See here, students, for your practice or get many different ideas, so I will solve this problem in another method also. But in exam, don't apply two methods. Whichever is easy, you apply that only. First, this already I explained one method, no? That only you do. Don't apply two methods. So I am applying the second method. Second method. As I said, we can solve in many ways. So what I am doing? Another method I am explaining. The same problem I will do in another method. Just for your concept purpose. First I will multiply this. This I will keep same. These two I will multiply. These two products I will multiply. See here. Secant A into 1. Secant A. Secant A into 1. Secant A. Secant A into 1, secant A. Secant into this. Secant A into tan A. Just see, if you have 3 multiplications, suppose 2 into 3 into 4. What we do? First 2 into 3, 6 into 4. Then we multiply 6 into 4, 24. Same concept. First I am multiplying the first 2, keeping the second one same. I am keeping third one same. Third one I am writing same. I will write the third one same. Secant A plus tan A. See here. I am writing the third one same. First I will multiply the first 2. Secant into 1 secant minus secant into sine. Secant into sine. See here. Secant A into 1 secant A minus secant A into sine A, secant A sine A. Same. Secant into 1 secant. Secant into sine, secant into sine. Same. This is same. First just I multiply. I did not use any formula. Just multiplication. This into 1 same. This into this same. Next one step. I will write this secant A as 1 by cos A. This sine A same. This secant A as 1 by cos A into sine A same. This I am keeping same, no change. Every time I am writing this third factor, same continuation. Only these two I simply changed. This into this I multiplied, this into this I multiplied. To simplify this, I wrote secant as 1 by cos A. Only this secant I wrote 1 by cos A. Don't write secant A minus sin by cos. In place of the secant A, I wrote 1 by cos A. I am not disturbing this. Only here I want to simplify this. Secant A is 1 by cos A. Sin by cos. Sin into 1, sin only, no? Sin into 1, sin. Sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan. Sin, or I will write 1 more. 1 into sin is sin. Sin by cos is tan. This one same. Here. This I am keeping same. Just I multiplied. For this only I am doing some simplification. Secant is written as 1 by cos. So that sin in the numerator, cos in the denominator, sin by cos is tan. Now, a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. See the second identity, we derived the identities. See the formulas, the identities. What is secant square theta minus tan square theta? 1. This formula, secant square minus tan square is 1. This is the formula, this is the identity, that is the second identity which we derived and we applied here. That is 1. So final answer is 1. This method also I solved. Whichever is convenient, you practice it. First will be convenient otherwise. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, secant square minus tan square is 1. See students, this is another method. It is not continuation. The problem is over. But I explained in another method also, so that you should be perfect in all the formulas. So whichever is convenient, you do it. First one is okay. So what I did, see, this is same. Every time I am writing same. Don't look at it. First two only I am multiplying. Secant into 1 secant. Secant into sin A. Secant into sin A. Secant is 1 by cos. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos is tan. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Secant square minus tan square formula is 1. This is the another method. So you copy it, but put a gap. Second method you write down like that. Otherwise you may feel that total is one problem only. So you may apply both methods. So only one method you do. Give the gap and second method, you just write down second method. You write down this procedure. So the second method followed or not? Students, write down this question. Vemlavada branch. See here. Students, don't write, first look at the board. The question is, prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square plus cot square. This answer we have to get. So I am taking the left side. What is the left side? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So I took the left side. I am taking this and I will simplify it, and I will get this proof. This should be this we have to get. This is the answer that we have to get. This answer we have to get. I took the left hand side, and after simplification I have to get this right hand side, which is the answer required form. Don't write. See here. First simple A plus B whole square formula I have applied. A plus B whole square formula. What is A plus B whole square formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. That formula I am applying. Don't write. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Same A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Don't write. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now simplification. I am writing the sine square and cos square in a bracket. Don't write. I wrote these two in a bracket. See, plus means, all are plus means any two we can write side by side. Instead of writing like this, I wrote this and this together. I am not disturbing the problems. Plus only, I am writing plus only. I am not changing anything. So sine square, after this I will write this. I will write remaining also. Cosecant square 2 sin A into, see, everything same. I am not changing anything. Just sine square I wrote same, cos square I wrote same, cosecant square I wrote same. 2 into cosecant is equal to 1 by sine formula. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. See here. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sine is equal to 1 by cosec or cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Anyone you change. Why I am writing cosec is equal to 1 by sine? Why I am not keeping same? Why I am writing cosec is equal to 1 by sine? So that I can cancel these two. You have to simplify now. Cancel. Next, don't write. This is already written here. So what is left? Secant square 2 cos A into secant is 1 by cos. Secant is 1 by cos. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Write down all the formulas which we are using. Whatever formula we are using, you write it very neatly. I am not getting space here. I wrote here. So see here, no changes. Sine square same, cos square same, cosecant square same, secant square same. Only one change I did. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. These two formulas I applied because the sine cancel. Cos cancel. Now, sine square theta plus cos square theta 1 formula identity. First formula, second, third. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square total becomes 1 over. This total is 1. Now, see the right side. There is a tan. There is a cot. But we don't have tan here. We have cosecant. Cosecant, there is no cosecant here. We have secant. There is no secant here. Use the second and third identities. See the third identity. Cosecant square is equal to, see the formula 1 plus cot square. Similarly, secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. See the formulas. Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. These two are the identities. Three identities, all three we are using. First identity is sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Second identity is secant square minus tan square is equal to 1, but can be written as secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. See the formulas. Just look at the page. I gave all the formulas. So sine square plus cos square is, wherever you get sine square and plus cos square, it is 1. So why I am changing cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square? Why I am changing? Why I am not keeping same? Why I am changing? Because in the proof there is no cosecant. There is no secant. Tan and cot are introduced. So how to introduce? We have the formula. Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. Look at, don't write. This is 1 now. Is it clear? Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Don't write. Sine cancel 2. Sine cancel 2. Secant square is equal to what? 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. Cos cancel. What is the remaining? 2. Cos cancel. What is the remaining? 2. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 1. 5 plus 2. 7. Remaining cot square, tan square. Anyone you can write first because proof is tan is written here. So plus means anyway you can write 7 plus tan square plus cot square. See the RHS proved. See the proof, we got it. Hence, you can write complete problem once again here. Complete problem. This is equal to this. Like that also you can write. Total problem also you can write. That is proved. Exactly proved. Very simple. So you just copy it. Don't confuse with the formulas and all, because this box is separate. This is the formula box and this is also formula. You copy it, once again I will explain. Write down. Followed or not? Old Safilguda branch. See, this is the problem. We have to take it, and after simplification, this answer we have to get. I took the problem. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's all. I am writing sine square and cos square together, so that sine square plus cos square becomes 1. That's why I wrote this and this here. Remaining I will write same. Cosecant square is written same. Sin theta into cosec theta is directly 1. Sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Directly we can write 1 here, or one more step I wrote. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. That formula I gave. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine and cosec are reciprocal to each other. Sine is equal to 1 by cosec, or cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Anyone you can use. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine I wrote, so that sine cancel, only 2 remains. Only 2. Like that. Secant square, same. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant and cos are reciprocal to each other. Cos is equal to 1 by secant, or secant is equal to 1 by cos. Anyone you choose, apply. Secant is equal to, I wrote 1 by cos. Why? Because cancel. So this will be 2. This is 2 and this is also 2. Like that. That step I applied. In C, I took the left side. First step is I took the left side. Second step is I applied a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square 2ab. Third step, what I am writing, these two I wrote together. So cosecant is equal to 1 by sine, secant is equal to 1 by cos. Only the two changes I made. Next step, sine square plus cos square is 1. These two cancel 2. These two cancel 2. But what about this and this? Should I write same or I should change? See the problem. There is no cosecant square in the answer. There is no secant square here. Instead of that, we have tan and cot. How to get tan and cot? We have the formula. Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. So cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cat square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square, fifth formula. Cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square, fourth formula. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, third formula. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 plus tan square plus cot square. Which is the right down? Students, eighth problem. First I will multiply these two, then I will multiply with that. Because if we have three multiplications, so then we multiply these two, then we multiply with the third one, like that, same. So a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, don't write. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. This I will write same, no change. First two only I am multiplying. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 minus cos square is cos square. 1 minus cos square. This is 1 plus cot square, same. This I am keeping same. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 minus cos square. See the formulas. First identity. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square. See the formulas page. 1 minus cos square is sin square. 1 plus cot square. Just now also we used in the previous problem. 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. That is the third identity. See the formulas. 1 minus cos square is sin square. This is the first identity. See the formulas. 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. Sine and cosec are reciprocal to each other. Sine is equal to 1 by cosec or cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Anyone you change. Just now also we used cosec is equal to what? 1 by sine. This you keep same. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine square means square root. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Sine cancel, 1 answer. Simple. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 1 square is 1, cos square is cos square, 1 minus cos square sine square. 1 plus cot square cosecant square. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Sine cancel, answer is 1. Students, copy it. Let us conclude today. Only 2 problems left. Tomorrow we are going to complete this last exercise also. And after that, next day, I will give you time to